When I saw the dash cam, I can't believe that he actually ploughed into me and the wreckage was all over the place. I don't believe it was me until I actually saw the dash cam.
I was at work as normal. I got a phone call telling me that Jason had been involved in a serious accident. When I arrived at the scene, the air ambulance was already there in a field. It was like I was looking down on a movie set. They put a white sheet over Jason's face. At that point, I thought, he's dead. When I spoke to the hospital staff, they advised me that Jason's injuries were so significant that it was unlikely that he would survive the night. He had a grade 3 laceration to his spleen, which was bleeding internally. He had multiple bony fractures in his sternum, his ribs, his back, his right arm and both of his legs. He also sustained from the whiplash an injury to his right carotid artery, which sent a blood clot through to the left side of his brain, meaning that he had multiple strokes on the mid-left side and the frontal aspect of his brain, leaving him with significant brain injuries.
After the accident, they didn't know if I was going to survive. They put me in induced coma for 2.5 weeks. Sorry. I had numerous strokes and it affected my cognition and my speech. Difficulty word finding. It's like a stutter, but I never used to have this. I just can't get my words out.
Jason has a team of therapists that look after him.
I just wish I'll be better, and I won't be.
So Jason and I first met in a pub one evening after we'd been chatting online on a dating app. Jason and I have a lot of things in common. We like travelling, touring on our motorbikes, going to concerts and the cinema. Jason's very much a gentleman. He's very old school, very chivalrous, very caring, compassionate, thoughtful, always having a joke and a laugh, very sociable.
I have a Kawasaki Z900. I used to ride it to work. My partner, she's got a Z900 RS. We used to just travel around the country and I miss all that.
Jason finds it very difficult to do everyday tasks. It is like having a giant walking toddler. Jason's personality has definitely changed to what it was previously. So yeah, I do get very angry at what's been taken away from us, and it's not just for a short amount of time for recovery, it's the rest of our lives.
I don't know. How? Why? Why is it me?
I did see the dashcam footage of the incident and it was horrific. I still can't understand how or why it happened. I am angry because our life is so different to how it was before. Jason doesn't laugh, he doesn't mess around and joke around like he did before. I'm so angry at that person that did this to us, to Jason, to me, to my family, to Jason's daughter, to his mum, because just that one decision has now changed our lives forever.
I'm so angry because his actions have changed my life forever.